Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and expert coaching with guaranteed success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to solve practical problem number 3. See, Rohini Company Limited issued 25,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, payable as follows. On application rupees 20, on allotment rupees 30, on first call rupees 20, and on second and final call rupees 30. Applications were received for 22,000 equity shares and allotment of shares were made to them. All the money was received by the companies. Past journal entries in the books of Rohini Company Limited. Okay, now see the working. See, working note. How much Rohini Company Limited issued the equity shares of rupees 25,000 at rupees 10 each. Issued shares were 25,000 shares of rupees 100 each. But the people in general have subscribed to 22,000 shares. Means what? There it is under subscription. Okay, it is under subscription. Now, on application, how this money will be called? In 4 different phases. On application, the company is going to collect rupees 20. On allotment, company is going to collect rupees 30. On first call, company is going to collect 20. And on final call, company is going to collect 30 rupees. If you total up, the face value of the share, that is rupees 100, is there. This is the working. Okay, now I am going to show you the journal entries for the same sum. Now we are going to start with the journal entries. Journal entries in the books of Rohini Limited. Date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Now see, we have seen in the working note 25,000 shares were issued of rupees 100 each, payable on different slots. Okay, but only 22,000 shares have been subscribed. Okay, so bank account debit 22,000 into rupees 20, 4,40,000 to equity share application account 4,40,000. Being application money received on 22,000 shares at the rate of 20 each. Now this share application will be transferred where? To equity share capital. Now see, equity share application account debit 4,40,000 to equity share capital account 4,40,000. Being amount transferred to equity share capital. Is it clear? First entry is understood by you all. Okay, now second entry for allotment. Now we will call the allotment amount due from the subscribers of the shares. So equity share allotment account debit. How much? 22,000 into rupees 30 each. It will come to 6,60,000. To equity share capital 6,60,000. Being amount due on allotment called. Now we are calling this allotment amount. Now see, we have received, when we are calling this amount, we have received bank debit 6,60,000 to equity share allotment account 6,60,000. Being amount received on allotment of shares. देखो हमारे पास अभी एप्लीकेशन के और अलॉटमेंट के पैसे आ गए हैं. Now next we are calling the first call. So equity first call account debit 4,40,000 to equity share capital account 4,40,000. So see how it has come 22,000 into rupees 20 each. To being amount of first call due on 22,000 at the rate of 20 each. Now this amount is also being received by us. So see, bank account debit 4,40,000 to equity share first call account 4,40,000, being amount received on shares of first call. Okay. Now equity share final call account debit. Now this see 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 20, 70. Now last is of 30, and that is also called, so equity share final call account debit 6,60,000 to equity share capital 6,60,000, being amount due on final call. Okay, is due. This amount is also being received. So bank account debit 6,60,000 to equity share capital, to equity share final call account 6,60,000, being amount received on final call. So here we have completed the journal entries which were asked in the Rohini's book or Rohini Limited book. I hope you have understood it well.